How to transfer Lazada wallet to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to transfer Lazada wallet to Gcash. First, open the Lazada wallet app and log in to your account. Go to the account tab at the bottom. Scroll down and tap the MYR option in the Lazada wallet section. Go to the transfer option in Lazada wallet. You have to wait a few seconds and tap the activate and verify button. You have to select your Gcash account to transfer. For security verification, you have to add your phone number. Enter the SMS code sent to your phone number and press verify. Once verified, you can now transfer your Lazada wallet to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.